Want to fly drones for work or profit? The FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate is your key. This test shows you know the rules of the sky, keeping everyone safe. Passing means you're a legal drone pilot. You can take on paid gigs, capture amazing aerial footage, and explore the skies with confidence. But it's not just about permission. Learning this material makes you a pilot. You'll understand airspace, weather, and how to handle emergencies. This knowledge makes flying safer and more fun for everyone. Ready to take your drone game to the next level? Let's dive into some key topics covered in the exam. Airspace is the air above us, divided into classes. Each class has rules about who can fly there and how high. Think of it like roads in the sky. Class A, this is for the big jets way up high. You won't be flying your drone here. Class B, C, D, and E controlled airspace around airports and other sensitive areas. You'll need permission to fly in most of these. Class G, uncontrolled airspace, often in rural areas. You have more freedom here, but still need to follow rules. You're planning to fly your drone near a small airport. You check the FAA map and see the area is designated as Class D airspace. What should you do? A. Fly your drone without any worries. B. Request permission from the airport or air traffic control before flying. C. Fly your drone only during daylight hours. Correct answer. B. Explanation. Class D airspace is controlled airspace around airports. You must obtain permission before flying in this area. Safety first. Drones are light and sensitive to weather. Wind, rain, and even cold can affect their performance. Knowing good flying conditions is crucial. Wind, your drone's worst enemy. Strong winds can make it drift, lose control, or even crash. Always check wind speed and gust before flying. Visibility. You need to see your drone at all times. Fog, rain, or snow can reduce visibility and make flying dangerous. Temperature batteries don't like extreme cold. Your drone's flight time will be shorter in cold weather. Be prepared to land early. You're excited to fly your drone on a beautiful day. The sky is clear, but the wind is blowing steadily at 25 mph. What should you do? A. Fly your drone carefully, staying low to the ground. B. Ground your drone and wait for calmer winds. C. Attach weights to your drone to make it more stable. Correct answer. B. Explanation. 25 mph is too windy for most drones. It's safer to wait for calmer conditions. Your drone will thank you. You've studied hard, now it's time to ace that exam. Rest up, get a good night's sleep before the test. A clear head is your best asset. Read carefully. Don't rush through questions. Understand what's being asked before choosing your answer. Process of elimination. If you don't know the answer, try to eliminate obviously wrong choices. Stay calm, it's just a test. Take deep breaths and trust your knowledge. Passing the FAA Part 107 exam opens doors. You'll have the skills and knowledge to fly safely and responsibly. Go out there, explore the skies and capture amazing things.